9 p.m. Look at, there's a crane flying by. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. It is so nice out. Hope you all had a beautiful day. That's where the sunset was, what was over there. And I just had dinner. Let's see, there's my apartment right there, second floor. And these guys were real close, and I wanted to film them. Really nice. Like 24 or 23 Canadian geese. Let me step right here. And they were right over here. And of course, now they're down there. Come on, Canadian geese. You were all looking so pretty over here. It's like 24 of them or something. And then there's a bunch of babies over there. The babies are getting bigger. Look at all the nature sounds. Pretty nice, right? We made it another day, everyone. We made it on a Monday. Hopefully everybody had a beautiful holiday weekend. I think it was a holiday weekend. Alrighty. That's about it. That's about it.